Welcome to KEN, in the heart of Denmark. For 60 years, the company has developed, produced and sold disinfecting washing machines for the health sector and laboratories, bedpan washers, dishwashers for the catering industry, and industrial machines for washing production equipment in the food industry. Our customers can be sure of optimal production management at all phases, from raw steel to finished product. The KEN BWD 731 is an elegant, Danish-designed bedpan washer. The BWD 731 is suitable for nursing homes, private clinics and hospitals, including isolation rooms. The bedpan washer can be placed under a table or supplied for wall or floor mounting. The 45 cm wide BWD 731 is the most compact bedpan washer on the market, but it still has a large capacity. For example, the machine can take one bedpan or 2 urinal bottles or 1 wash basin. It is also possible to use a utensil basket. Note that the BWD 731 has automatic emptying of bedpans and urinal bottles. By changing the retainers, a simple, uncomplicated process, it is possible to wash and disinfect utensils from most countries. Contact KEN to meet your special requirements. The computer-monitored wash process and rotating wash heads ensure a uniform wash and disinfection of the highest quality. The washer has automatic door closure and program start, and the frontal control display gives continuous information in clear text about temperature and progress. The KEN BWD 731 has been developed and tested according to standard EN ISO 15883, including double temperature control and discharge control. KEN has developed KEN.com, a network-based software that by means of a homepage gives both users and technical departments access to simple and operationally safe communication with the BWD 731, including documentation that washing and disinfection has been correctly carried out. The software contains a minimum of 15,000 program runs with printing possibilities, and specific program runs can be asked for. Note that KEN.com version 2.0 upwards allows you to receive alarm messages from the machine via email. Contact KEN for further information about KEN.com. Compact machine with large capacity. Fitted under a table, mounted on wall or floor. Computer-monitored wash process. Automatic emptying of bedpans and urinal bottles. Developed to meet EN ISO 15883, including double temperature control and discharge control. KEN.com, network-based software. The KEN BWD 731 is an innovative bedpan washer, and as a result of intense development work, offers users more technological and user-friendly advantages. The washing chamber and combitank in the BWD 731 are made in acid-proof pressed steel and have no corners or joints. The construction contributes to ensuring a high level of hygiene. After each individual wash, the nozzles, washing heads, combitank and pump are all totally disinfected. We have applied for patents for this system, which resists the growth of bacteria. If the machine is not used for a long period, it can be completely emptied of water. Service friendly. To minimize time waste with eventual operational problems, the combitank, heating element and pump are assembled in one practical, easy replaceable unit. Steam condensation. As standard, steam condensation is part of the KEN BWD 731 in order to avoid an unpleasant discharge of steam when the door is opened. This also means that after washing and disinfection, the items can be handled sooner. IP44 Security. IP44 Security against water penetration is available on the BWD 731 as an option. This means that it is protected from all sides against water splashes and water jets under pressure. With IP44 Security and its compact, space-saving design, the machine is extremely suitable for isolation rooms, placing in bathrooms, and so on. Washing chamber and combitank in acid-proof pressed steel. Nozzles, wash heads, combitank and pump are disinfected after each washing. Service-friendly, combitank, heating element and pump replaceable as one unit. Steam condensation is standard. Optional IP44 Security against water penetration. KEN Quality Assurance Concept. All surfaces on the KEN BWD 731 are smooth and easy to clean, and the service-friendly design ensures easy access to all components. At the bottom of the sheen, there is a chemical compartment for the practical storage of a 5-litre container. Contact KEN for further information on the KEN BWD 731 or on the rest of our product range.